बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। How are you all students? I hope all of you are fine. So firstly recite a dua. Rabbi zidni ilma. O Allah, increase me in knowledge. So students, what did we learn yesterday? We learned about the present continuous tense, and we have done workbook page number 32, 33 and 34. Now we will do workbook page number 35 and 36. So mention the date and day on your planner. Okay? Present continuous tense. If you remember, I had told you yesterday that how to use present continuous, which is to show things happening right now, जिसमें हम present चीज़ की बात करते हैं. And we needed a subject, a be verb and a main verb plus ing for a statement sentence. So today we will make negative sentences and questions sentences in the present continuous tense. Okay, so let's start. You can make these sentences negative by adding the word not, in which the things happening right now. But जब हम not add करते हैं तो it's mean not happening right now. Okay, so you will put not after the be verb and before the main verb. be verb के बाद और main verb से पहले आपने not लगाना है. ठीक है, like this, I am swimming, they are fighting, and she is talking. So there are three sentences. Now we will make them negative. हम इनको negative sentences में convert करेंगे. कैसे? By putting not after the be verb and before the main verb. Like this, I am not swimming, they are not fighting, and she is not talking. Okay, so these things are not happening right now. Making negative sentences in the same for all the three be verbs is MR. Negative sentences be verbs के लिए same रहते हैं. ठीक है, now you can make yes no questions by switching the be verb and the subject. आप be verb and subject को replace करके sentences बनाएंगे. Okay, for example, I have a sentences like he is working today. So let's change it into a question. Switch the be verb at the beginning of the sentence like this. Is he working today? And we use a question mark at the end of the sentence. हम at the sentence question mark use करते हैं जब हम sentences बनाते हैं, question sentences बनाते हैं. So making questions is the same for all the three be verbs is M and R. Questions will be same. For example, I am listening to music. By switching be verb and subject, it will be as am I listening to music with question mark. Okay, question mark ज़रूर लगाते हैं. The next is the birds are singing in the trees. Here the birds is a subject, whole, the birds is whole a subject, so we replace it as are the birds singing in the trees with the question mark. Have you understood the negative and interrogative sentences? Good, excellent. Now open page number 35. Mention the date and day of today. Present continuous. So today we will see the negative and interrogative sentences. And what is the negative sentences? How we can make it? Yes, by adding sub not between the be verb and the main verb, like subject plus is mr, which is a be verb, plus not plus present participle, which is the main verb, plus object. For example, he is not reading a book. Here we have added the not between the be verb is and the main verb reading. Okay, so in interrogative sentences we will switch the subject and be verb with each other, like is mr शुरू में आ जाएगा, ठीक है, then subject plus then main verb plus object. For example, is he reading a book? Is and with the question mark. Okay, now change these present continuous tenses into negative and interrogative sentences. हमारे पास कुछ present continuous tenses दिए गए हैं, हमने इनको negative में और interrogative sentences में change करना है. Negative में हम not लगाएंगे, ठीक है, और interrogative sentences में हम switch कर देंगे subject और be verb को और at the end question mark. Okay, so the first is he is drinking milk. So it will change into negative sentence as he is not drinking milk. Okay, not हमने be verb और main verb के mid में लिखना है, ठीक है. अब हम इसको interrogative sentence में कैसे convert करेंगे? Is he drinking milk with the question mark. Okay, so we will write here he is not drinking milk and is he drinking milk with question mark. Now next is we are jumping on the bed. Change it into negative sentence. How we can change it? Yes, by adding not. We are not jumping on the bed. अब हम इसको इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस में कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे? Yes, we replace the subject with be verb. So we will write as are we jumping on the bed? At the end हम क्या लगाएंगे? Yes, question mark. Write as are we jumping on the bed with question mark. Next is they are shouting in the class. Change it into negative and interrogative sentence as they are not shouting in the class. And we will change it as interrogative sentence as are they shouting in the class? At the end, question mark. Good. Next is the cat is catching a rat. So where we put the not, yes, after be verb, the cat is not catching a rat. Change it into interrogative sentence. Yes, is the cat catching a rat? The cat is here whole a subject. So we will write as is the cat catching a rat with question mark. Last is Abid is driving a car. So we will write it as negative. Abid is not driving a car. An interrogative sentence as is Abid driving a car with question mark. So students, page number 36 is your home task. Firstly, you will write date and day, and here are also some sentences, and you will change it into negative sentence and interrogative sentences. Negative sentences में हम be verb के बाद not add करेंगे और interrogative sentences में switching of be verb and subject. Okay, So do your work neat and clean and stay safe and sound. Fi amanillah.